coming.
Oh.
So just leave him at home.
Alright guys, so we're back with the Alien Rides Adam. We're going to be off-roading it today. We came to a nice little trail out here in the mountains. We're going to see what kind of capability... Oh, we got some horses. Those things are awesome. As we were saying, we're going to test its off-roading capabilities. I mean, it has off-road tires. That can only mean one thing. Let's test them out and see how it does today. We also got the Talaria XXX out here. How's it going? It looks like you took it off-roading already. This thing is more for those experienced riders. This is more for beginner riders, like I mentioned in my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I kind of talked a little bit about how fast this thing goes on the street, but today we're going to be checking it out here. What I noticed is I thought I wouldn't be needing this pouch, but it's actually coming in handy. There's not a lot that we want to be carrying, but just in case the GoPro dies, I do have some extra batteries and tools for it. So this thing did in fact come in handy, which is sick. Let's turn this baby on. I think for now I'm going to stick to second gear, get a feel of it, because this is a lot of slippery gravel. The XXX is going to lead the way. We got some nice water over here. I don't know, my bike is too small. He went in there like nothing. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Those pedals at the bottom of this do come in handy. You're able to lift yourself on these little jumps. So I'm still in second gear. I mean, it's pretty decent, pretty good for being in second gear, especially for a beginner. You're going through all these rocks. Gotta do it for the video. Put it in 5. It's yours. Nice.
What do you think so far?
Through that trail, it was pretty controllable. I thought it was going to be all over the place. This thing, though, is you're able to take it through all those different types of hills and dips and potholes you saw through the way. Pretty crazy. So we're going to see the Talaria go through. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that thing is like butter. No issue at all. That handled pretty well. Oh! Did you see me jump that thing?
I was like, what the?
I got professional all of a sudden. Ow! Alright, same trail, but downhill. Gotta be mindful of there's people probably coming up. Oh, we got some horses right here. Thank you. Okay, this thing is the best mini bike, Alien Rides Adam. Perfect for off-roading, perfect for the street. That went way smoother than I expected it to go. How did yours do?
Freaking perfect, dude.
Pretty good? Yeah, you were riding through there like nothing.
I know.
Look at that suspension. Look at those tires. Can I?
What?
Oh yeah, look at I'm on my tippy toes right now.
There.
It's in sport. Now it's an eco.
Power.
You guys, okay, actually you've never seen me on the bike, so this ought to show you how small the bike is with someone. This is a full-grown adult on this mini bike right here. You want to look cool? Talaria is the way to go. And this is just an eco mode. Almost got decapitated. Hey, look, twins! With this bike, it doesn't feel as stable as that little bike, I'll tell you that. We keep coming up on these horses and I don't wanna spook whoa! I don't wanna spook those horses. I didn't feel as comfortable riding that as this one. Just because this one's smaller, I'm small, but if you're looking to do some crazy action, the Talaria XXX will be your best bet. How did you feel riding this thing through there?
Freaking fun. It's so fun. It's fast. It's solid off-road, surprisingly, for not having suspension.
Was it slippery or you were pretty
dude,
good?
You got all the grip.
Good handle on it.
All the grip in the world with those tires.
It's good street and off-road. But for $1,000, you guys, this is really fun. How much is this one?
I think that one brand new is like 31 now or something, with plus like shipping. Or if you go to like Lunicycle or something. You don't want to pay almost $5 for the Suron. Get the XXX.
E-bikes they're trending, so a lot of people don't know about them. So that is why we're here to show you the difference between a beginner bike and an experienced biker who's trying to get an e-bike. Just by going up and down the street right here, a lot of people are with their family, they're barbecuing, they're hanging out. It's a nice day today. It gets their attention. Look at him go. My personal preference is gonna be street, obviously, where you can just zoom right through. Oh my gosh, my turn signal's on. Let's turn that baby off. But through the street, I prefer it. It's less chaotic, but the point of this video is that it is, in fact, capable of off-roading. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh my, this is why you wear gloves. People wonder, why do you wear gloves? Well, prime example why. I just got skinned alive, pretty much. That's gonna burn later. But consider that a learning lesson. Obviously, I'm gripping for dear life during that off-roading part, but wear your gloves. He didn't have to stump on me like that. Maybe I could do the same thing. Maybe I could do the same thing. And then we're off. This is funny. Go, push it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Pretty sure we have a park ranger behind us right now.
He's coming.
Oh. Well, we tried.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi.
Hey, Ranger Agency Parks.
Hi.
Hey, surrounds are not permitted in the park.
Okay.
Not only that, you guys are going way above the 10-mile-per-hour speed limit. So surrounds are not permitted in the park. I just want to make a note for next time, so just leave them at home, or I think you can use like the Santa Ana River path. But yeah, just do your research. So just help us out, okay?
Sounds good.
All right,
Thank
okay.
you guys.
Thank you.
Alright, you heard it here. Don't ride these at the park. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you liked this one, please check out my last video. This is just the start of it. Until the next video, stay tuned, guys.